Ningbo City, Haishu Meiao Household Product Factory, founded in 2013. We located in a port city, Ningbo. It is convenient for import and export. We have 70 employees and 3,000 square meter plant. And we have sewing machines, heat transfer machines, hot stamping machines, needle inspection machines, raw material inspection machines, punch. Those can ensure the quality of the products. With 10 years' experiences in manufacturing and designing all kinds of indoor and outdoor covers, such as patio furniture covers, BBQ grill cover, sofa cover, and pet seat cover. We can customize the material you require, for example, polyester fiber, Oxford fabric, PE, PVC, PP fabric, non-woven fabric. Our customers have more options to choose material. For production size, material, packaging, logo, we can make according to customers' requirement. Meanwhile, our design department can design new productions according to the fashion trend. Our quality supervision department tests products from the beginning of raw material. Our studio can provide product shooting service. And our 60% employees work in our factory reach 6 years. These allow us provide our customers high-quality products and diversified services. Our productions most export to Europe, America, and Australia. Therefore, if you are interested in any of our products, please come to visit our factory or contact us directly for more information.